What's up, guys? Um, I will be live today because there's gonna be a fireworks show. Um, I'm just doing a little video. We're gonna be showing off what kind of fireworks I got, and I spent over 200, and it's not even that much. I'm disappointed, but I will be live today. I don't know what time, but I surely know that I'm probably gonna be live on YouTube lesson. So we're gonna do there's gonna be like a fireworks show. I'm gonna record everything. It's gonna be more. But if I can't go live, I'll for sure record it, and y'all can just comment how y'all liked about it. But yeah, um, but yeah, let's go ahead and let's see what we got. Wow. Ooh. So we're gonna go ahead and gather this out. Just push my controller. So we got 100 shot of the Black Cat, the missile base 100 shots, and then we got 3 of these. Hold on, let me show. I don't know where the other one is. Oh, I think I see it. Hold on. Yes, I do. Give me one second. 100. We got colorful pearls. I think these are 48 shots. Then we got this thing where y'all just stick it onto the ground, I guess, and it shoots up. I've never seen these before, but we're gonna try this. It's 135 shots by Black Cat. So these are all of these right here are from Black Cat. So I like the way they made it. Whoa! We got the Black Cats of Cat Scratch Forever. These are 1 minute. Colors are red, green, gold, and silver. I like it. I don't know. Silver, hydrogen, gold fountain, red spark, titanium. Yeah. But yeah. Should have last 1 minute. It's a fountain. Oh yeah, we get the tiny Titan. Never seen this before. We're gonna try it out. We're gonna open it, the box and stuff. Then yeah, we got these smoke bombs. I got green and blue. I like those. I like them. I like them. I like them. So this is all for July 4th. Oh yeah, we got the big boy right here. Hold on, I gotta get it out. We got the special effect scrambling. It's a brocade, a Black Cat. This is face. Okay. Let's see. The colors are red, green, and blue. These are 17 shots. $200, by the way, for all of this. But oh my god, these are the most dangerous ones. By Black Cat. It's one of those things where you roll them up and they start popping. I think I made a video, not a video, but I seen a short of whenever my friends did it. And then we got Ice Cube. This is a 9 shot. I think it's a fountain. Never mind, it's not a 9 shot. It's like a little firework thingy. So yeah. Oh my gosh, what is in this bag? Oh yeah. We got a few shells. This is a 12 shot that I bought. All of these, and Yeah, this is made by White Cat and Black Cat. I'm just kidding. I got more in this bag. We're gonna show those in a minute. Oh yeah, we did get some ladybugs. Got some ladybugs, got 3 of them. Very cool. Put that there. Bag is empty. And then we got some parachutes. We got some parachutes by Black Cat. I bought a pack, just a pack, because you know me, I want to catch some parachutes. These are going to be for night or light, I don't know, whatever. I got a 25 shot of the missile base again. I got 2 of these. I don't know. I forgot what these are called. So we got 2 of those. I got, oh, this one's heavy. I don't know why. I got a 20 shot of the 4th of July parade. It's very cool. It's not bad. I'm looking for the blue one. This one. Oh, here it is. We got a blue smoke thingy. We got the M150s. Got like a pack in here. 12 pieces. So ooh, scared the actual shit out of me. I got 2 of these, the crackling candles. Got 2 of these. These are 10 shots. So 10, 40, 80. So I got 80 shots per right here. And then the last one. Oh. Hold on, guys. Yeah, I might have to sleep in a minute because I accidentally dropped the box. Hold on, guys. And the finale would be probably this one, but the all the big ones will be last. This is the Zombie Blast. Whoa, buddies. We don't look at that. This is a 12 shot. Same thing as that one up here. These are the kinds y'all can go ahead and I'll show y'all. So we got 1. It's probably like that. 2 like that. Oh my god, that looks beautiful. 3. Oh wow. I see. My favorite one will probably be these 2. Yeah. Okay, let's go ahead and read the directions. Please monitor 31 hard level of the outdoor surface, not on the grass. Not on the grass. Oh my god. Insert a ball into the tube, extend the bottom with a flat end down. Okay. Keep head clear of tube fuse and get away. Oh yeah, we did that once. Yeah, that's all I have. It isn't. I think I should have bought a little bit less of these. Probably have like 20 of these. This is I think I'm stupid, but we'll make it work. Alright, go ahead and end the video here. Y'all, it was just a moment of just showing y'all and stuff. But We'll probably be live today. So yeah, and if not, if YouTube doesn't let me, I'm sorry. And yeah, hope y'all have a good day. See y'all on July 4th.